Japanese manufacturers are about to flood America with brand new $10,000 Kei trucks, and these compact workhorses are going to completely revolutionize what Americans expect from pickup trucks. If you're one of the millions of buyers who's been priced out of the truck market because even base models now cost more than your first house, these ultra-affordable units are the solution you've been waiting for. While American manufacturers keep pushing bigger trucks with bigger price tags that most owners can't afford and don't need, Japan perfected small, capable trucks decades ago, and that winning formula is about to expose just how broken the American truck market has become. Number 7. Daihatsu Hijet. The Daihatsu Hijet is going to arrive in America with one massive advantage over every other option. This truck has been in continuous production since 1960, making it one of the most refined compact trucks ever built. That kind of longevity doesn't happen by accident. It happens because engineers spent over 6 decades perfecting every detail. One of the biggest frustrations with modern trucks is the constant worry about whether they'll actually start on a freezing winter morning or after sitting unused for weeks. The Hijet's 660 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine solves this anxiety completely. It's designed for one purpose: running forever without complaint. The cab sits directly over the front axle, which means nearly the entire vehicle length is dedicated to cargo space. The bed measures roughly 4.5 feet long and 4.5 feet wide. Compare that to modern American trucks, where half the length is wasted on massive hoods and crew cabs most people don't need. The tight turning radius makes navigating confined spaces effortless instead of a constant headache for contractors working in older neighborhoods with tight driveways. The Hijet handles everyday work brilliantly, but there's one feature missing that could be a deal breaker for anyone hauling heavy loads regularly, which brings us to the next truck. Number 6. Suzuki Carry. The Suzuki Carry is bringing something to America that will shock truck buyers: a dump bed option on a $10,000 vehicle. While American truck makers charge premium prices for even basic features, Suzuki is going to offer genuine work truck capability at an unbeatable price point. Picture yourself at the end of a long day facing a truck bed full of heavy gravel or mulch that needs unloading. You're exhausted, your back is already aching, and you've got hours of shoveling ahead. The Carry's hydraulic dump bed system eliminates that entire nightmare. Instead of shoveling material out by hand, you'll simply press a button and watch physics do the work. The Carry's payload capacity reaches around 770 pounds, designed for the actual work most truck owners do, not the theoretical maximum they think they need. Every small business owner dreads watching fuel costs eat into profit margins. The Carry is going to deliver somewhere around 40 to 50 miles per gallon. A contractor driving 100 miles per day will save thousands of dollars annually compared to running a full-size truck. The Carry dominates on paved roads and job sites, but if your work takes you off the beaten path, you'll need something with serious traction, which is exactly what the next truck delivers. Number 5. Mitsubishi Minicab. Mitsubishi is going to bring the Minicab to America with one feature that sets it apart: available 4-wheel drive with a locking differential. For rural buyers or anyone working in challenging terrain, this capability is going to be transformative. There's nothing more frustrating than getting stuck in mud on a job site, watching your deadline slip away while waiting for someone to tow you out. The Minicab's 4-wheel drive system isn't some half-hearted attempt. It's a genuine mechanical system designed for serious work. Farmers navigating muddy fields or contractors working on unpaved construction sites are going to find the Minicab handles conditions that would stop other compact trucks cold. Mitsubishi engineers built the Minicab for extreme temperature operation. These trucks work in Japanese winters and scorching summers without complaint. For American buyers in harsh climates, that proven durability matters far more than horsepower numbers. Anyone who's wrestled an 8-foot sheet of plywood over a high tailgate knows how awkward and dangerous that task can be. The Minicab's fold-down sides on all 3 edges solve this problem elegantly. You'll simply drop the side and slide materials in from any angle. The Minicab's capabilities are impressive, but there's one thing that might concern some buyers: finding reliable service and parts, which is where the next truck changes the game completely. Number 4. Toyota Pixis. Toyota is going to enter the American Kei truck market with the Pixis, and the brand name alone is going to drive massive interest. Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability will convince buyers who might otherwise hesitate about compact trucks. Toyota's dealer network and service infrastructure are going to make ownership significantly easier than with lesser-known brands. When something breaks, finding parts and qualified mechanics won't be a treasure hunt. Nothing kills productivity faster than unexpected breakdowns and constant trips to the repair shop. Toyota's quality control standards are legendary in the industry. Every Pixis coming off the production line undergoes inspection processes that would shame most American manufacturers. That attention to detail translates to fewer warranty claims, less downtime, and better long-term value. The Pixis is also going to benefit from Toyota's hybrid technology development. While the initial models will use conventional engines, future versions will incorporate hybrid systems that push fuel economy even higher. Toyota brings brand recognition and reliability, but if you're looking for advanced safety technology that could cut your insurance costs, the next truck takes a completely different approach. Number 3. Nissan Clipper. The Nissan Clipper is bringing something unexpected to the American market, surprisingly sophisticated safety features for a Kei truck. While most Kei trucks offer basic transportation, Nissan is going to include technology normally reserved for much more expensive vehicles. Modern Clipper models feature collision warning systems and automatic emergency braking. For small business owners buying multiple trucks, those safety features could dramatically reduce insurance costs and accident-related expenses. It's the kind of forward thinking that American truck makers seem to have abandoned. Anyone who's spent 8 to 10 hours behind the wheel knows how poor ergonomics can turn a workday into physical torture. The Clipper's design emphasizes driver comfort in ways that matter for real-world use. The seat height, steering wheel position, and pedal placement are all optimized for extended driving. Nissan focuses on safety and technology, but if you need a truck that can handle the worst winter weather while maintaining daily reliability, you'll want to see what comes next. Number 2. Subaru Sambar. The current generation Subaru Sambar may lack the quirky character of previous models, but it's bringing something to America that will matter far more: all-wheel drive expertise. While other Kei trucks offer four-wheel drive as an option, the Sambar is going to make Subaru's proven all-wheel drive system a defining feature. Earlier Sambar generations used rear-engine, rear-wheel drive layouts that created handling quirks. The modern version abandons that configuration for a more conventional setup, which actually improves usability. The change makes the truck easier to drive, more predictable in emergency situations, and simpler to maintain. If you've ever watched a snowstorm shut down your business for days because your truck can't handle the roads, you understand the financial cost of poor winter capability. The Sambar is going to navigate conditions that would leave other compact trucks stuck. Winter capability that rivals dedicated snow vehicles expands the useful working season for landscapers, contractors, and rural property owners. That means more working days and more revenue. Subaru's approach to chassis rigidity also sets the Sambar apart. The company's rally heritage shows in how the truck handles rough roads and uneven terrain. Body flex is minimal, which means fewer squeaks and rattles as the vehicle ages. The Sambar excels in specific areas, but if you're looking for the most complete package that combines all these strengths into one truck, check this one. Number 1. Mazda Scrum. While other models specialize in specific areas, the Scrum delivers excellence across every metric that actually matters to American buyers. Mazda's engineering philosophy focuses on long-term durability over short-term performance. The Scrum's engine, transmission, and drivetrain components are all designed for 300,000-mile service lives. For commercial buyers, that longevity means lower total cost of ownership than any American truck at any price point. One of the biggest headaches with specialized vehicles is hunting for parts when something breaks. The Scrum is going to feature exceptional parts availability because it shares components with other Mazda vehicles. When you need maintenance or repairs, you won't be hunting for specialized parts or waiting weeks for international shipping. Mazda's dealer network is expanding specifically to support Kei truck sales. The company recognizes the massive market opportunity and is investing in infrastructure to make ownership painless. Service appointments, warranty work, and routine maintenance will be no more complicated than owning any other Japanese vehicle. The Scrum's refinement also sets it apart. Sound insulation, vibration damping, and general fit and finish all exceed what you'd expect from a $10,000 work truck. For buyers using their vehicle as both work transportation and daily driver, that extra polish makes the Scrum the obvious choice. These 10k trucks are bringing capabilities American buyers actually need at prices they can actually afford, solving decades of frustration with overpriced, oversized domestic trucks. The real question isn't whether these compact imports will succeed in America, but rather how Detroit plans to compete when Japanese manufacturers are offering brand new work trucks for less than the average monthly payment on a full-size American pickup. Once they arrive, these Kei trucks will make an earthquake, so we presume you want to take a closer look at each of these models. If that's the case, make sure to start with our next video about the Suzuki Carry. Besides the flexible and highly functional cargo bed, this tiny truck also offers proven engineering and durability, which makes it a perfect combo for any task.